How to make easy Halloween decorations from paper. Fast, cheap, and creative. You will need rectangular paper, a simple pencil, scissors, and your hands. Place the paper so the long side is closer to you. Hold the bottom edge of the paper. Lift it up to meet the top edge of the paper. Make sure the edges match. Press down the fold with your fingers. Fold it in half by bringing one short edge to the other short edge. Press the fold with your fingers. Fold it in half one more time, just like before. Press the new fold with your fingers. Take a pencil and draw a pattern. Copy my steps. Don't press too hard with the pencil. Cut out the shapes along the lines you drew. Cut off the bottom separately and the top separately. This is important. Make a simple cut along this line and cut out the pumpkin's eye. Trim off the excess paper at the top. Carefully open the paper. You can make many of these chains and attach them together on the sides using adhesive tape. Let's make a skulls garland. Take a rectangular piece of paper. Fold the long side to the other long side. Press where it's folded. Now fold the short side to the other short side and press with your fingers. Fold the short side again and press the fold. Fold it one more time. Draw the pattern like I do. Cut the paper along the lines. Don't cut this part on the side. To cut the eye, just cut along this line. Then keep cutting inside. Open the paper. Cut out the teeth. If you want a longer garland, you can glue some pieces together. Let's make a Frankenstein garland. Take some colored paper. Create the garland base template. Use a pencil to draw a new pattern. Follow what I do. Cut the paper along the lines. To cut the eye, just cut along this line. Then keep cutting inside. Open the paper. Draw the hair. You can stick it on a window or somewhere in your room. Let's make a bat garland. You can use white paper if you don't have black. Fold the paper into 3 parts to make the base. Draw a pattern with a pencil or marker. Follow what I do. Don't cut the bat's wing here. Start a bit higher, as shown in the drawing. Trim the extra paper at the top and bottom. Unfold the garland. If you want to make it longer, glue the bats together. We are making a witch hat's garland. Just like before, fold the paper the same way. Draw another pattern by copying my moves. Cut the paper along the lines. Open the paper. Draw a strap and a buckle on each witch hat using a white correction pen or a bright colored marker. If you do not have these tools, you can cut out straps and decorations from white paper and glue them on top. Thank you for watching up to this point.